In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check in Notion. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the process is quick, and I'll walk you through what to expect so you don't miss anything. We'll also cover how to turn it back on later if you change your mind. Let's start with the Notion desktop app. When Notion thinks a word is misspelled, it underlines it with a red highlight. That underline is the key to the setting you need. Simply right-click a word that's underlined in red, and in the menu that appears, choose Disable Spell Check. The moment you select that, Notion will stop flagging typos in that specific desktop application. It's important to note that this toggle is per Notion app instance, not a system-wide change. If you use Notion on another computer or in the web version, those won't be affected by this choice in the desktop app. If you ever want to turn the feature back on in the desktop app, right-click a word again and select Enable Spell Check. The option only appears in the context menu that shows up when a word is underlined, so don't be surprised if you don't see the setting when there's nothing flagged on the page. Now, if you're using Notion in your browser, the spell check you're seeing isn't controlled by Notion at all. It's handled by your browser. To turn it off, you'll need to use your browser's settings. As an example, in Google Chrome, open Settings, go to Languages, and toggle off the option that says Check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages. Different browsers phrase this a little differently, but the quickest way to find it is to open your browser's settings and search for spell check. Keep in mind, disabling spell check in your browser affects all sites you type on, not just Notion. That means places like email, forms, and other web apps will stop flagging typos until you turn it back on. When you're ready to re-enable things, it's just as simple. In the Notion desktop app, right-click an underlined word and select Enable Spell Check. In your browser, revisit the same spell check setting and toggle it on again. That's it. You now know how to disable and re-enable spell check in Notion, both in the desktop app and in your browser. Choose the method that fits where you use Notion most, and remember the browser change is global across the web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.